It's not correctly set, is it? Something's
not right.
And that's what happens when things go badly wrong. Like Matty boy. It's fucking annoying me 'cause it's so hard to fly.
How? Look.
I want to get a really good hover.
Fucking coming.
I'm going to get it in a minute.
My hands.
It's really hard.
Whoa.
So I know how to stop it before it, like, if I can get it right close to face. I'm Roy. I'll see you later.
Ta-ta.
I can kill it pretty quick. But it's just straight there. Do you want to go with it?
No.
Are you scared of it?
Yeah. That was quite good. For a turd.
See, it loves drifting towards this metal thing where it